Alright, I'm going to use this video to show you exactly how to get on Google Classroom, because I know some of you are still having a problem with getting there and watching your videos the way that you need to be watching them. So the first thing you're going to do is open your internet browser, and if you're using Chrome, you can either type up here in the browser bar or you can go to Google, and I want you to type in Google Classroom. When you type in Google Classroom, it's going to bring up this link right here for classroom.google.com. You can also type that into your browser bar if you can remember that web address. So we're going to click on Google Classroom, and right here it's going to pop up with this page, and we're going to say go to Classroom. Here it's going to require you to sign in with your school email address. If you're using your home computer or using your phone, I highly encourage you to click the Stay Signed In button. I'm using a browser just for the basis of this video, so I'm not going to, but I'm going to type in my username, which is my first name dot last name at, and then sorry, I'm going to type that as it would be for you. It's going to be your first dot last 000, for the vast majority of you it's 000, at students dot whitecoschools.net. Now your one-time password is going to be Warriors, all lowercase. If you have already reset your password, then it's going to be whatever you reset it to be. I do not have access to those passwords. No one has access to those passwords. All I can do is reset that password if you forget it. So if your password is lost or forgotten, I need you to email me or text me and let me know that you need your password reset. So I'm going to log in. I'm going to have to type in my teacher email address here to log in. Okay. And I'm going to click sign in. It's going to bring me to Google Classroom. Now my home is going to look a little bit different from yours because I have multiple classes here and I have some permissions that you don't have, but let's look at fourth block. So if I need to watch the video for fourth block, I'm going to come down here on the page and I'm going to see this is my assignment. Now this is where you're going to click to show that you've done the assignment, but if you click on the title, it's not going to tell me, it's not going to show you the video. You need to come down to where you actually see the video, like here with the YouTube video, and you're going to click on either the title or on the video itself, and it's going to pull up a tab and instantly start playing that video. You can also do full screen from there if you prefer, and it works exactly the same way on your phone. Again, there is not an app for Google Classroom yet, but we're getting there. So once you've watched the video, you've taken the notes, you're good to go. You can then go back to the Google Classroom. You can click again, like I said, on this title, and you can change this to done. Now, I can't show you that from here because I have a teacher view, so it's not going to look the same. But this is how you're going to access Google Classroom on your phone, or I'm sorry, on your computer at home. And if you have any questions, again, you need to text me or email me and let me know that you have issues. All right, now I want to show you how to get on Google Classroom using your phone. The very easiest way is to use your barcode scanner. So I'm going to see if I can get this to work here. Maybe if I turn that off. Okay, so I'm going to go to my barcode scanner right here. And then I'm going to center this QR code in the middle of my barcode scanner. It's going to instantly ask me if I want to go to that URL. I'm going to click yes. I'm going to click that I want to go there with my browser. And it's going to load the page. Now this is one issue that you might run into when you try to log in on your phone, and what it's telling me here when I pull up Google Classroom is that I'm logged into my personal email address, and it says sorry down here because Google Classroom is only available in Google Apps for Education. You have Google Apps for Education, but only when you're logged in as your school email address. So what I do here is I simply click sign out, and it's going to let me choose my school email address. So when I choose my school email address, it's going to pull up my Google Classroom. So that's one step you might have to follow here. And then I can click, I'm going to click on third block this time. And it's going to pull up my stream just like it did on the computer. And I can click on the video that I need to watch. And it should pull that up in YouTube. I'll have to tell it to pull it up on YouTube. Your phone may do it automatically. And there again, it's going to play the video.
Wanted to get that Y by itself. I just need to move the two.
If you don't have a barcode scanner, that is not the end of the world. You can just type in your browser bar, classroom.google, and once you've gone there once, it's going to instantly pull up. So there you go. Hopefully that solves your problems. If it doesn't, you need to let us know so we can get your password reset or get you some help getting logged in. That's the end of the video.